Caroline and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I am doing a closet makeover and I'm so excited to share this with y'all because I've been planning this for a while, and if you haven't seen my room makeover, make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. As you can see, I have a lot of clothing and my closet is very cluttered. I do not have the best closet system, and I also have miscellaneous items and traditional attire which should be stored away, as well as my cap and gown and baby clothing. Only clothes that you wear should be stored in your closet. Hey guys, so as you saw, my current closet situation looks terrible. Like, my rod and shelf literally looks like it's going to break at any moment. Literally would, so it could just like snap. I have like so much clothes on there. It's just hard to organize and keep it organized because I have so much stuff, and I'm so excited that I'm able to remodel my closet. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's finally happening, just like my room makeover like I did a couple months ago. So crazy. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. So today I am at Home Depot to pick up stuff for my closet system, and right here is this closet made shelf rack. So it's really cool because it's adjustable. Let's just get back to my house. Hey guys, so I'm back and the closet system is finally done, but it's not officially done, if that makes any sense. It's because I haven't put up my clothes yet. The hardest part was actually building it. That's like the most boring part ever. It's been like 3 to 4 hours and now the sun is setting soon, so that's why you can see this yellow light, which I need to switch out to a cool blue. It just makes my room look yellow instead of white, which it should be. And after that, you get to organize my clothes together, and then you get to see the final product, which I am so excited to show you. A tip for a nice, neat, and minimalistic looking closet is to have the same colored hangers. So I used to have multiple colored hangers, now I have all white hangers. And I have also bought these hangers to clip my off-the-shoulder tops and skirts. The reason why sticking to one colored hangers make the entire closet look more neat and minimal is because it really balances it out, especially since most of us have very colorful clothing instead of a very neutral looking closet like the ones we would see on Pinterest or other social media platforms. By the way, I have hung some of my clothing to view it more easily so I can figure out which clothing I want to keep and which clothing I want to donate or to toss. Also, I have bought these storage bins from Target to store my seasonal clothing. In addition, I have bought these very inexpensive baskets from TJ Maxx. I bought them in an off-white color and they come in 3 different sizes. So I will be using these baskets to store my accessories. So let's just organize this together. Now is the time to store away my accessories onto my shelf. Another tip for a neat and minimalistic closet is to have matching colored baskets so your closet looks more put together. And voila! So I've had these plastic drawers for a while now, and I have just kept 2 of them, and I have just stored tank tops, shorts, and athletic tops. In the other drawers, I just put my undergarments, t-shirts, leggings, and pajama pants. To make my closet look more neat and minimal, I have just put tissue paper in front of the drawers to cover my clothing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. I would also like to give a huge shout out to my parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for making this happen. I really love my new closet system. I have actually got rid of 1/3 of clothes from my closet, and I have donated clothing that I've got rid of. So the rest I have distributed them into seasonal clothing. Since it's fall now, I have hung up my fall clothing up, and I have put the rest of my clothes in the storage bins that I got from Target and tucked them away under my bed. As you saw, I had those cool like rolly storage bins, and I am really loving my new closet system. I had like closet doors and they were pretty hideous, as you saw, and now it's an open closet, and it's forcing me to keep my room clean. Everything is just easy for me to grab my clothes. I just get up in the morning, just lay in my bed and just look, what am I going to wear today? And then my whole closet is right there. So yeah, easy access, love that. There's actually space for my dresses now, so it doesn't have to like lay on top of my drawers. Now it just have its own space. For the past week, like my room has been actually pretty clean, and yeah, it hasn't gotten messy, which is I'm so happy about. It's helping me become better with putting away my clothes, so my room doesn't end up looking like a tornado came by and ruined my room. So right now I'm drinking a really melted venti coffee frap. So yeah, just taking a break. Hi guys, it's Caroline and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can I messed up. So make sure to check that out. Without any further ado, enjoyed watching this. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure to turn on the bell notification icon to get notified of when I post new videos. Comment down below if you have any video requests. I'd be happy to make them for you. And share this video. Okay, I'll see you guys again next time.